Let's go ahead and tell you exactly what is happening in this case. From the latest coming in, we are coming to know that the Saket court issued a notice to the ED on a petition filed by Falah University chairman Jawad Ahmed Siddiqui. Jawad Ahmed Siddiqui filed an application seeking the provision of documents related to the charge sheet. Saket court extended the judicial custody of Falah University chairman Jawad Ahmed Siddiqui for 14 days, and the Saket court scheduled the next hearing in the case for March 27. Judicial custody of Siddiqui extended for 14 whole days. That is the latest coming in the money laundering case involving Falah University. Let's go straight across to my colleague. Let's go to Sarthak. Yes, Sarthak, let's go across to you. Falah chairman's custody has been extended, judicial custody. What is the latest coming in? Sarthak, over to you.
Yes, the Saket court has extended judicial custody of Jawad Ahmed Siddiqui by 14 days in PMLA case. The court has issued a notice to Enforcement Directorate of Siddiqui's application seeking supply of charge sheet documents. Siddiqui moved a plea seeking copies of the relied upon documents filed with the ED's charge sheet. The defense over here, the point that we have to observe at this point, that the defense argued that the access to full set of documents is necessary for the preparation of this case. The court has also directed ED to respond on the document supply application. That's the latest that we are getting on this case. And the case is still pending before the Saket court, and the hearing that we know has been adjourned for March 27. At this point, it seems like Siddiqui has to remain in judicial custody till next date. This is a huge money laundering case, and the court at this point needs to take into consideration all the details and all the key aspects regarding this case. Therefore, the case has been adjourned for March 27, and further what will transpire in the case, that is something that we'll have to look forward to.
Yes. Okay, so, a few weeks ago, we were tracking the story very closely, Sarthak, when we were breaking the updates coming in on the Falah University and the money laundering charges. The ED has filed these charges. ED has said that it also had provisionally attached assets worth about 140 crore rupees linked in this case. Now, if you could just help our viewers understand what are the charges, because there are sections under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA. And what are those sections looking like?
Well, as per the investigation, there is worth, the funds that have been collected so far, it's worth 400 crores between 2008 to 2025. This is the amount of funds that have been collected as per the investigation. And this has come mostly from student fees and other receipts. There are certain other accreditations and regulatory claims that were allegedly false in this matter, and assets were provisionally attached by ED totaling around 140 crores, meaning that the agency has frozen and taken and supposedly taken control of the assets linked to the alleged proceeds of crime. So the ED probe under this case is still underway, and at this point the court is also observing all the nitty-gritties and the key aspects of this case. So there's still a huge amount that has to be the trail has to be presented before the court, and therefore the court has extended the custody in this matter.
That's right. And the ED has been saying that Siddiqui had a very dominant role when it comes to the Falah Group. Thank you, Sarthak, for getting us those details. Let's get our viewers some of the other stories we're tracking. Early today in Delhi's Usmanpur, viewers, a crime branch has arrested 3 wanted criminals from Merit's Asad gang after they opened fire during a surrender challenge. All 3 wanted for